Assalamu alaikum everyone, and a very good morning on the second day of the Asian Association of Open Universities Conference 2024. I'd like to wish a very warm welcome to all the participants and scholars that have come from across Pakistan and from around the globe. We have with us participants and scholars and experts from 14 countries that include Canada, South Africa, Indonesia, Malaysia, and so much more. This conference is themed as Innovations in Open Distance Learning. The second day of the conference entails a lot of very interesting insights on open distance learning and e-learning, especially the role of artificial intelligence in education. Apart from that, we have a panel discussion where we'd have experts on education, informal education, etc., that are going to talk about the scenario of technology-based learning in Pakistan.
I warmly welcome you to the session on advancing academic integrity with generative AI.
I believe it is educators who should play that role, not technologists and not commercial people and not governments. It is the role of educators. If we don't like the way education is being transformed, it is our responsibility to either stop it from being transformed in a particular way or to do something to try and improve. So I will say many things about that, but you will see very clearly that I believe it is our responsibility as people involved in higher education to ensure that it's being done correctly.
The students who get at least something out of these programs will be out of system after our new policies, making them tighter on these issues. So whatever they are getting from the systems, they will actually be thrown out and they will get nothing in replacement of it. So we should keep it a little bit tighter. Then comes a situation where people have argument like, sir, everyone is doing in this country the same way. So why only one university making their rules so tight on this thing, so critical on these things? As it's happening all across the country, so why don't you let it the way it's going on? We can make improvement to an extent in which our students particularly are not hit by it specifically. And there can be several other reasons of doing it. But the bottom line thing is, we are, as an institution, wherever we are working, we are responsible to make sure that the people we graduate from our institutions, they have a certain level of professional ethics, they have a certain level of integrity. Otherwise, they'll not be able to contribute positively. Rather, one graduate with such loose kind of things can generate thousands of such once they enter in their professional life.
Integrity in academia is not just about academia. What we are doing is, I think, expressing to students the importance of honesty, honour and integrity in all parts of their lives. I have two children and I often say to them that trust is actually the only thing that's worth anything. So unless I think as we convey that to students as they go through institutions and make their way out into the world, we will be doing them and our societies and our children and grandchildren a great service.